Are you tired of watching your business crawl along the slow lane of transportation management while your competitors race ahead? It's time to rev up your strategy and shift into the fast lane with cloud-based technologies. Think of it this way. You wouldn't want to ride a bicycle on the freeway, right? So why let your business navigate the complex and ever-changing landscape of transportation without the right tools? Cloud-based technologies are turbo boost to your business needs to stay ahead of the curve and accelerate towards success. But before we dive into the game-changing benefits of the cloud, let's take a pit stop and explore why transportation management is the fuel that keeps your business engine running. Without it, your supply chain could break down, leaving your customers stranded and your profits stuck in neutral. So let's not waste any more time and quickly examine why transportation management is an essential ingredient for business success. Let's kick things into gear with number one point: cost savings. With better transportation management, you can significantly reduce transportation costs by optimizing delivery routes, consolidating shipments, and negotiating better rates with your carriers. That means more profits for you and bigger gap between you and your competitors. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any business: customer satisfaction. In today's fast-paced and competitive marketplace, delivering goods on time and in excellent condition is the key to keeping customers happy. With transportation management, you can put customer satisfaction into top gear and blow your competition out of the water. Additionally, with transportation management, you get real-time visibility into logistics operations, enabling you to make data-driven decisions. And last but not least, we have competitive advantage. Effective transportation management can give you a significant competitive advantage by optimizing logistics operations, improving delivery times, reducing costs, and enhancing the overall customer experience. Now that we've explored the many benefits of transportation management, let's look into some exciting cloud-based solutions that are taking the transport industry by the storm. First up, we have Transport Management System called TMS. This is a powerful software solution that can help businesses streamline their transportation operations, including shipment planning, carrier selection, and scheduling. With real-time visibility into shipment status and location, you can proactively identify and address potential issues during transit, providing better customer service with accurate delivery estimates, automated notifications, and real-time tracking. So rev up your transportation game with TMS and stay ahead of the competition. Next, we have Electronic Data Interchange, EDI, a cutting-edge technology that facilitates real-time electronic document exchange between businesses, including transportation companies, shippers, and suppliers, enhancing communication speed and accuracy. EDI automates routine shipment tracking and invoicing, driving efficiency and cost reduction in your transportation process. With EDI, you can take your transportation operations to the next level of automation and efficiency. But that's not all. We also have Warehouse Management Systems, WMS. This helps businesses manage their warehouse operations, including inventory management, order fulfillment, and shipping. By integrating WMS with TMS, businesses can streamline their logistics operations and improve their overall supply chain efficiency. With WMS, you can optimize your warehouse and transportation operations for maximum efficiency and customer satisfaction. Internet of Things (IoT) devices such as sensors and GPS trackers are another exciting technology that can be used to track shipments in real time and collect data on factors such as temperature, humidity, and location. This data can be then analyzed using cloud-based analytics tools to optimize transportation operations and improve supply chain visibility. With IoT, you can gain real-time insights into your transportation operations and make data-driven decisions for better outcomes. Finally, we have machine learning and artificial intelligence. These algorithms can be used to optimize transportation operations by predicting demand, identifying patterns, and automating decision-making processes. These technologies can also be used to identify and mitigate supply chain risks such as disruptions in transportation networks. With machine learning and AI, you can leverage advanced analytics and automation to stay ahead of the curve and deliver exceptional transportation transportation services to your customers. With that said, as we come to the end of our discussion on adopting cloud-based technologies for smarter transportation management, it's essential to take a moment and evaluate your transportation management strategy. Cloud-based technologies are revolutionizing the transportation industry, providing benefits like cost savings, improved delivery times, and enhanced customer experience. If you're ready to shift into the fast lane and leave your competitors behind, then implementing cloud-based technologies for smarter transportation management is a game-changing decision. However, getting started with cloud adoption and software building can be overwhelming, which is why we suggest seeking guidance from expert digital transformation firms.